Welcome all. So today's topic is evil entities creating confusions and fights. Now this is a very tricky topic. Why tricky? Because most of the people get confused that what is going on in their life when suddenly something negative and suddenly some kind of confusions or suddenly some kind of fight start between them, whether it's regarding the relationship, whether it's regarding the finances, whether it's regarding the mental wavelengths, the compatibility, everything. Okay, so depending on which zone is being targeted or will be targeted by these evil entities, that zone is hampered big time because of these supernatural elements being around. So hence many of you have asked this question on the Gmail that please tell Guru Didi to talk about this, that how and if they can create this confusion among the house members or in the mind of some person. So definitely this thing, can this be possible, that any evil entity or supernatural element can create some kind of a confusion? Yes, of course it's possible. It's very much possible, and it's the most common thing when we talk about evil entities and supernatural elements. So you need to understand one thing typically regarding negative energy or negative forces around you. The way we eat our food, okay, our food is, for the humans, the food is your bread, your chapati, your vegetables, all of that, right? But what is the food for the negative energies? The food for the negative energies are your confusion, your fights, your feeling of being jealous, your feeling of being greedy, you creating confusions, miscommunications. All this are the feeding and the food for negative energies or negative forces. Please understand this first. So once you understand this, you will automatically start sensing things, that if something is having this kind of a food, then of course when they feel hungry, what will they hunt for? Of course they will hunt for all these characteristics or these ingredients. And from where these ingredients are going to come? Of course by creating confusions, fights, jealousy, unnecessarily not being compatible. All these things will be created by them. Okay, so now what's going to happen? I'll give you an example, explain you by an example to simplify this. For example, you're in a relationship, okay, and everything is going fine by the grace of God and Goddess, and suddenly you feel that the behavior of your partner has started changing towards you tremendously without any rhyme or reason. Of course it can be something else in a negative energy as well. It can be the planetary reactions, it can be the nature of a person, it can be so many things attached with it, maybe or the loss of interest towards you, or maybe something that he or she did not like about you. These are the common things in the normal life scenarios, but we are not talking about the normal life scenarios here. We are typically talking about one topic. Hence we will consider keeping this element in mind. Okay, if something is happening which is unexplainable, if something is happening in a way that is out of your understanding levels, if the person is not having an extramarital affair, if the person is loyal with you, but still he or she is creating unnecessarily behavior issues with you, so you tend to analyze that this is something which is going in a very abnormal way, isn't it? You can make that out. Your sixth sense will tell this to you. It's very difficult to explain as to this case or this situation is abnormal. It's something to feel. It's something that your senses will tell you, your subconscious mind will tell you. And if that signal you're getting, then definitely if you see that suddenly fights have started in the house, or suddenly family members are leaving the houses and going, that I just want to go away from here, and the person leaves the house and runs away for some matter, or for that matter being in one house, even then you acting like strangers, and even if you're in the house, not even once your thought process is coming out to be compatible with each other, whereas before this everything was fine. So that means that there is a negative force around you which is creating these hassles for you. And if this is the case, you need to act fast, because trust me, these negative forces and evil entities are extremely smart in destroying relationships, in destroying houses, in destroying, I would say, all kind of relationships, social reputation, all of that. It also has a capacity to destroy you financially as well, by of course creating confusions, not letting your mind work the way it should be. You'll be completely confused, you'll be dull, your aura will become negative. Because of the aura being negative, people around you would step back being with you, all of that. Okay, so I hope in this video this answer whether evil entities can create confusions or fights is clear, that definitely they can, and I have explained this to you with an example also in the simplest of forms. Okay, so I hope this is an informative thing for you, and if anything like this is happening, you can get your diagnosis done and the case study done, which is a paid service, and then get out of this confusion level whether this is the reality or some sort of a blockage in your mind. That's about it. Next week I'll see you with another topic. Till then, goodbye.